Students, here is question number 1. Where am I? First one is, the isotherm 0 degree Celsius runs in my surroundings. Answer is Northern Asia or Northern Canada. Second one, the mean annual temperature is 25 degrees Celsius around me. Answer is Central Africa. Third one, the mean annual temperature around me is 10 degrees Celsius. Answer is Northern Europe or Central Asia or USA. Question number 2, who am I? First one, I connect places of equal temperature. Answer is isotherms. Second one, I am useful for measuring the correct temperature. Answer is simple thermometer. Third one, I get heated due to the land or water near me. Answer is air. Fourth one, land and water get heated due to me. Answer is sun. Question number 3, answer the following. Here is first question. Explain with a diagram the effect of the spherical shape of the earth on the temperature at different latitudes. Answer is, due to the spherical shape of the earth and the resultant curvature of the surface, sun rays occupy a larger or lesser area. Equatorial regions receive straight rays of the sun, occupy less space, and heat received is more. Polar regions receive slant rays of the sun and occupy larger space, and heat received is less. Between 0 degree and 23 degree 30 minutes north and south, the sun rays are perpendicular. As a result, this area receives bright sunlight and greater heat. Therefore, this area is known as torrid zone. Between 23 degree 30 minutes and 66 degree 30 minutes north and south, the sun rays are slanting. As a result, these areas receive less bright sunlight and less heat. Therefore, these areas are known as temperate zones. Between 66 degree 30 minutes and 90 degree north and south, the sun rays are extremely slanting. As a result, these areas receive extremely less bright sunlight and extremely less heat. Therefore, these areas are known as frigid zones. Second question, what is the relation between the latitudinal extent and temperature of a region? Between 0 degree and 23 degree 30 minutes north and south receives perpendicular rays. Hence, temperature are higher throughout the year. Between 23 degree 30 minutes and 66 degree 30 minutes north and south receive extreme slant rays, and hence temperatures are moderate. Between 66 degree 30 minutes and 90 degree north and south receive extreme slant rays, hence temperatures are very low. Third question, what makes the isotherms run zigzag over continental areas? Isotherms run zigzag over continental areas because temperature is influenced by physical setup and height above the mean sea level on the continent.